Replacing coolant outlet hose. Leak location. This part not sold separately connects to coolant bottle. Follow along the hose to get idea on placement. Remove air intake tube, air box less than greater than throttle body, coolant outlet hose feeds into water pump below. Flathead screwdriver. I chose to leave the two sensors intact, MAF and 8 sensors, lift tube up and rest above a bottle of box, be gentle, DC battery. But first, new vs old. Observe the part design to prepare appropriate tools. One Christmas tree clip. One constant tension clamp. The rest are plastic support clips. Pliers and picks. Remove clamp. Locate hose outlet, underwater pump. Unlock clamp. Lube for a stuck hose. Don't go crazy. Pry hose out, catch bucket below. Cold hose, be patient. Here it comes. Remove Christmas tree clip. Trim removal tool could work. Clipped it instead. Hose is freed from clips, carefully shimmy it through towards front side. Black part of hose can bend if needed. Swap time, work in reverse. Insert hose into nozzle, lock. Lock clamp onto nozzle. Clip these hoses together. Push in. Loosen clip, only halfway out. Press down, clip snaps into place to lock. It's a Jeep thing, after another Jeep thing. All cooler leak, MFFFFF. Beneath all filter. Not today. Let's clean throttle body. Clean rag, paper towel. Reconnect parts. Add appropriate coolant into reservoir. Hold bottle flat in this position to prevent spillage. Cool engine, fill to max slightly above, leave cap off to burp air out, engine on, heater on high 15 minutes, close cap, top off if needed after a drive, on cool engine. Leave lid opened, burp air out. Oh, that ticking. Common issue with this engine. 70,000 miles, loose rocker arm bearing, beneath camshaft, $2 for K job at a shop. Heater on high, opens thermostat, get the coolant juices flowing through radiator. Radiator fan. Check for leaks. Check leaks along hose. Drive, keep checking temp gauge, coolant levels, leaks. No bueno amigos has. Good luck.